By the way guys, thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me because we're on 300 subs. Ay ko, hi! What? What? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is, by the way, wait a minute. Thank you for the 300 subscribers. Thank you for the people who subscribe to my channel, continuously supporting me and watching my videos. Thank you so much guys for your support. Back to the video. So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is, in my DIYs for today's video is like random, just a random stuff. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss any of my videos and like you will be notified when I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So for this first DIY, which is a Dodecahedron Calendar, I just opened a PDF file on the internet. So I'm just gonna link it down below so that you will have this Dodecahedron template. And to personalize it is just convert the PDF to a JPG file and open picsart. And there you can customize it. You can put a background on each month. So for the materials, you will need printout, a scissors or a cutter, glue, ruler. So as you can see here, it says cut along the solid line and fold along the dotted line. So we're gonna do that also. So here I'm just gonna cut the template. This is how it looks like. Next is I'm just gonna fold those dotted lines, and here I just use a ruler to have a clean straight fold. Is that it? But I just fold those dotted lines. So after you fold those lines is just get your glue, and here just fold a small piece of paper so that the glue will be distributed evenly. Then I'm just gonna put it on the folded part of the template and I'm just gonna connect them all. Just continue to glue them all and connect those flaps. So if you're down to the last 3 flaps of the template, it can be tricky, but as you can see here, I just glue them all together. I just glue the last 3 flaps and then stick it so that we can form this Dodecahedron calendar, and this is how it looks like. So for second DIY, we will need a pencil, a ruler, scissors, tape, a plastic cup, and a cardboard box, or you can just use a magazine cover. And lastly is cement. So here I'm just gonna cut those flaps of the box. So first is mark about 2 inches on the top and the bottom part of the cardboard box, and you will do a zigzag line like so. Next is draw a straight line. Next is I'm just gonna fold those markings that I've drawn. So here, instead of using that cardboard box, I just use a magazine covers. Next is I just covered it with a scotch tape so that it will be waterproof. So here I'm just gonna cover the bottom part of the mold. Next is get another piece of magazine cover and make it like this one. And here I'm just securing the base of the mold, and I'm just putting on a lot of tape so that the cement will not leak. The other one is I just tape the outside part of the magazine cover. Next is just mix your cement and water. So honestly, I just eyeballed them, the cement and the water. And then next is just insert to the mold and then put the cement. Then tap out so that there will be no air bubbles. Then let it dry. Next is I'm just gonna get that one. Next is I'm just gonna peel off the magazine cover, and this is how it looks like. Sand it so that it will have a smooth finish. And here, it depends on you if you want to paint it or you can leave it as it is. And then I just decided to paint that part white and put a masking tape so that you will have this cleaner look. Then I'm just gonna put a gold paint on the rim of the plant holder. And then I'm just gonna peel off the tape. And this is how it looks like. But for the design, it depends on you if you wanted to paint it or you can leave it as it is. So for the last DIY, which is a DIY typewriter phone stand, you will need some wood, a cardboard box, pencil, ruler, some nails, a hammer, and a saw. So basically, I'm just gonna make a base in here, but you can try other base for a DIY phone stand. And then I just cut the wood. And this is how it looks like. Next is just grab your cardboard box, and next is I'm just gonna cut 5 centimeters by 10 centimeters of cardboard box, and I'm gonna do that also on the other side. And here on the back part of the phone holder, I'm just gonna cut a small space so that the charger can pass through, and then I'm just gonna attach it to the base by using a glue gun. And for the sides of the phone stand, so here I just traced so that I can mark where I'm gonna cut, and I'm gonna do that also on the other side. Then cut the excess cardboard box, and this is how it looks like. So you can paint it or you can just put some colored paper. Next is I'm just gonna cover the whole phone stand with this pastel pink colored paper, but you can paint it with whatever color you want. Then I'm gonna put some glue on it and attach the color paper. This is how it looks like. So for the typewriter picture, I'm just gonna put a glue on it and scrape the glue so that it will be distributed evenly, and this is how it turned out. That's it guys for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. So if you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss any of my videos, and comment down below if what videos or DIYs you want me to do next on my channel. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye-bye.